How's it going, everybody? Kelvin here from Kenwood, and on today's workshop, I'm going to be teaching you how to use math to properly tune your subsystems. Stay tuned. So, what do I mean by using math to determine these values? And the easiest way to put it is that there are a lot of different ways that a lot of brilliant techs have been using in the past to determine these values or how to set these systems when it comes to base. However, there is an easy formula that you can use that's going to be able to determine the safest amount of power that you can put to these subs without having to risk them blowing. Now, what I mean by determining values is that we need to know the numbers that we're going to be plugging into this miraculous formula, right? So, some of the numbers that you're going to need are going to be the RMS value of the woofer itself. And then from there, you're going to want to determine the resistance value of that said woofer. So, once you have these values in mind, the formula itself really consists of RMS times resistance. So, let's say, for example, you've got a 200-watt woofer that's 4 ohms RMS. Well, that's going to be 800 is the value that you're going to end up with. So now, once you have this value of RMS times resistance, we used 800 in the previous example, so we'll keep running with that. You want to run that number through the square root. So square root of 800 is around 28.28. So once we have this value, we're going to take it over to the amplifier where we're going to try and match the AC voltage as best as possible. Once you have this number at the amplifier, what you're going to want to do is tune the gains accordingly, keeping your leads on the woofer itself. That way you can measure what the AC voltage is doing. Now, obviously, if you're playing music, it's going to be bouncing around. So you're going to want to hover around that 28 number without having to be exact. Now, don't go more because at that point, it is possible to damage the woofer. But from there, 28 and under is relatively safe for that particular speaker. So there you have it, guys. A simple, tried and true method of figuring out how to set the gains on these amplifiers for these subwoofers. I mean, me personally, I've been using it for years and it's helped me out a lot, and hopefully it does the same for you. So once again, Kelvin here from Kenwood, and thank you guys for tuning in on today's workshop, and we'll see you on the next one.